Akeem Ola. We have another question to solve today. And the question we are going to solve today is on geometry. We have interior and exterior angle of a polygon. That is what the question we are solving today is all about. Let's go solving the question on the board. We have the ratio of the interior angle so the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 5:2. Find the number of sides of the polygon. If you look at this question, we have some terms that we are going to consider. We have interior, we have exterior. From the question, I can write solution now. I can write let interior angle is equal to I. And we can also have let exterior angle is equal to E. Now, based on what we have from the question, they said the ratio of the interior angle to the exterior angle. That means we are going to have I all over E. We are going to have I all over E is now equal to what is the ratio? We have 5 all over 2. So from here, we can cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we are going to have something of this nature. That means we are going to have 2i will now be equal to 5e. So from here now, our I now can be equal to 5e all over 2. Now we have this. But before we go further, there is a relationship between interior and exterior angle of a polygon. And the relationship is that I, we have I plus E is equal to 180 degree. Now, if you look at this very well, you will observe that we have gotten a formula for our E of our I. Our I is equal to 5 exterior all over 2. That means I'm going to have 5E all over 2 plus E all over 1 is equal to 180. So from here, we can actually find the LCM. If you find the LCM of 2 and 1, the LCM is 2. 2 in 2 is 1. 1 times 5E, we have our 5E there. Then plus 1 in 2 is 2 times E, we have our 2E is now equal to 180 all over 2. From here, we can actually cross 180 all over 1. From here, we can actually cross multiply. If we cross multiply, this is how we multiply this. So we are going to have 5E plus E plus 2E. That will give us 7E is now equal to 2 times 180, which is equal to 360. Divide both side by 7. 7 will cancel. Our E, this now implies our E now will now be 360 all over 7. 360 all over 7. Now, we can now consider what we are asked to find. They said, find the number of sides of the polygon. There's a formula that connects the number of sides n and the exterior angle of a polygon, and that formula is given by n is equal to 360 all over e. So we can now use this formula now to get the number of sides of this particular polygon. And if you check very well, we have gotten our e. Our e is equal to 360 all over 7. That means we are now going to have this formula now can be written as 360 divided by e. So our n now will now be 360 divided by what is our e? Our e is 360 all over 7. So we have 360 all over 7. That will now give us 360 over 1 times 7 all over 360. 360 will cancel. This now implies our n is equal to 7. So the number of sides of this particular polygon will be 7. And that particular polygon is known as an heptagon. So we are going to stop here for now because we have actually gotten what we are asked to find. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Akeem Ola. You can also like, share my video. You can as well comment on the comment section of this particular video. So we are going to stop here. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. God bless me.